we all know what is design thinking, right? It is a process of understanding the needs of the user. So we can apply design thinking to the any part of the life. Okay. So totally we have a 5 stages in the design thinking: empathy, define, ideate, prototype and testing. First one is the empathy. In empathy, we will be understanding what is the problem that is faced by the user. By making use of the feedback mechanism, we can collect what is the problem that is faced by the user in the existing product. So after finding out the problem that is faced by the user, in define stage, we will be defining what is the exact problem. So after defining the problem statement, we have to list out the ideas to solve the particular problem. It is done in the ideate stage. So after listing out the ideas, next step is that we have to design a prototype. So it is done in the prototype stage. So after designing the prototype, we have to see whether it meets the needs of the user. So whether the particular product overcomes a problem, existing problem that is faced by the user. It is done in the testing part. In testing part, we will be checking what is the exact output of the particular device, whether it meets the needs of the user. Okay. So if the particular testing part fails, again we will be starting with the define part. So it is an iterative process. Okay. So in today's session, we are all going to have a discussion on DT approach on applications of diode. Okay. So discuss among yourself, and after 5 minutes we can start the discussion. Okay. We all know diode is one which allows the current flow in only forward direction, and it will be blocking the current flow in the reverse direction. Forward direction is nothing but from source to load. So leakage current will be protected by the diode. So diode protects the devices from the faulty functions. So we have numerous applications for diode. It is used in the rectifier circuits to convert the AC to DC. It is used in the power supplies, and we all know about LEDs. LED is a type of a diode, light emitting diode. It is used in the displays, and also we know about the photodiode. Photodiode is one, when light falls on the particular diode, it will be generating the electricity current. So it is used in the circuits to convert the AC to DC. It is used in the power supplies, and we all know about LEDs. LED is a type of a diode, light emitting diode. It is used in the displays, and also we know about the photodiode. Photodiode is one, when light falls on the particular diode, it will be generating the electricity current. So it is used in the okay. Photodiodes is used in the most of the medical devices. It is used in the it is used in the optical communication, and it is also used in the solar panels. So in today's discussion, we are going to have a discussion on the applications of a diode, design thinking approach on the applications of a diode. So we are going to have a more detailed description of the applications of the diode. Okay.
I'm going to talk about empathy. So empathy's main objective is that we need to find users' need, and industry is based on design diode. The activities we need to do, like we need to interview engineers, end users. We need to do everyday research based on products based relied on diodes, and then we need to in order to overcome the problem, we need daily research based on power surges and inefficient lightnings.
So empathy tools are interviewing, research, and as well as feedback mechanism. Next step. Define.
I am Vishnu. I am going to define this part. So it clearly defines that real world challenges over diode usage. Most problem is that smartphone chargers are overheat due to inefficient rectification, and low income households are lack of affordable and energy efficient lighting, and sensitive electronics are spoiled due to voltage spikes. To overcome this, we can provide a low cost diode.
Low cost diode can be provided to meet these challenges. Next.
I'll be explaining the prototype. I'm Dheeraj, and prototype is meant by creating a quick model or a circuit in a easier method. And example, like we are building a LED with solar panels and using diodes in a DC motors. And the basic tools used for this prototypes are our breadboard, resistor, LED, solar panels, and etc.
So low cost tools can be used for building the prototype at the initial stage. Okay, next.
Okay, myself Vipin V, and I'm going to talk about the test part. Now we can gather feedback and refine the solutions from users like students, teachers, and community members for better feedback. We can test prototypes in real or simulated environments, and also we can measure effectiveness such as brightness, heat dissipation, and voltage regulations.
So we can go for a simulation. It is a better idea, right? So if there is any wrong, we can change the existing thing. Instead of finding out the actual solution, we can go with the simulation part. Stage, we can sketch the different circuits based on the output of the different part. Okay. So we have discussed about the design thinking approach on applications of diode. So by employing the design thinking approach, we can get a more had a discussion about the design thinking approach on applications of diode. So by applying this design thinking approach, we will be getting a more refined solutions. The output of if we apply a design thinking approach, the output we get will be more refined and more efficient when compared to the other type of techniques. So thank you all for your valuable points. Thank you.